Good morning. In today's video I will show you how we're gonna fit this fitting onto PVC pipe, but also how we're gonna keep an existing fitting in order to avoid changing it. Let's watch it now. I'm showing you this onto a pool system, but it works on any PVC pipe, so you don't have to worry about it. It's not because it's a water pump, etc., that it has to be different. No, any PVC pipe works the same. Okay, the first thing I will do is remove this part, which is cracked here, to replace it with this one. So I will cut the tube here using a metal saw. In order to keep this fitting, we're gonna throw away this piece of piping, and in order to do so, I'm gonna cut vertically the tube up to the union, and then I will show you how we're gonna remove that. Now, how we gonna do to remove this piece of pipe? Well, it's pretty easy. We're gonna use a plier. You can use the one you want, and we're gonna heat it with a hairdryer. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's nice and hot, and with the plier we're gonna twist it until it goes all the way. Okay, I'm showing it to you now. Now that I've removed the tube, I'm gonna use some sanding paper. I'm gonna sand everything inside. Then I've cut a new tube to fit inside and to fit on a new part. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sand it as well in the new part, and as well I'm gonna sand this this piece. Okay, now that everything is nicely sanded, what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean all the parts with some paper and some alcohol or something to clean it. Okay, so that the parts, this ones and this one, are nice and clean. Then we let it dry nicely before to place the glue. Now that the part is clean, I will now apply the glue for the PVC. I will apply it lightly, and I will start fitting it on that part, and then I will apply it to the other side. Now that this one is glued, we're just gonna repeat the same operation and glue this one here. That's it, it's done. As you have seen, to change a piping and keep an existing fitting out of PVC is very easy. So there's no need to call a plumber. Now you know how to do it and you can do it yourself. I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.